Today we're here at Mockingbird by Lennar here in the beautiful area of Summerlin. Now in this video, we are going to be touring the Bobby floor plan. You don't want to miss it. Stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're planning on buying, moving, or selling here in Las Vegas, do me a huge favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Today is July 16, 2025. And we are here at Mockingbird by Lennar here in the beautiful master plan community of Summerlin. Now, just to give you an idea of where we're located, we're here 25 minutes west of the Las Vegas airport and the Strip. Now, Summerlin is one of the most highly desired areas in all of Las Vegas. Now, the reason why people love Summerlin is because you have great schools in this area. You're close to walking trails. You're by downtown Summerlin, so great places to shop, great restaurants as well. You're also close to Red Rock Resort as well as the canyon. So if you like hiking, definitely a great place to be. So they offer 3 different floor plans, and I will have that on the screen for you. So they have the Bobby, Peter, and Greg. Now these are all 2-story floor plans. Ranging from about 3,000 square feet all the way up to 3,335 square feet, okay? Base prices are going to range from about $895, $990 all the way to $922, $990. But out the door, you're looking closer to about $950 to $1 million out the door, okay? Now, with the way the Lennar works is they build spec homes here. So that just means they start production. They choose all the options. So by the time you get into contract, you're about a month, 2 or 3 months away from completion. Now, if you're looking for the best deal, I would definitely recommend going with a move-in ready home. That means the house is 100% ready. For sure, you guys will get the best deal, okay? Now, with the community itself, it has just under 80 homes here. 10 of them have been sold. As far as the HOA goes, $87 a month. It is gated. The master plan fee is $60 a month. And the SID assessment is $864 a year, okay? Now, I will post a video on the screen for you right now. I did a short video that kind of explained what a SID is, so you could definitely check that out. One other thing is this community does include internet in the HOA, which is really nice. But yeah, that's all I got for you, so let's get started with the story. Welcome to the Bobby floor plan. Now, the Bobby floor plan is 3,000 square feet, 5 beds, 3 baths. The base price as of today is $895, $990. Right now, they do have a move-in ready home that's about $955. That's out the door. That's with all the upgrades. But yeah, guys, again, if you're looking for the best deal, I mean, go with a move-in ready home because they could definitely do like price reductions and, you'll have really great incentives towards your like closing costs and whatnot. Now, this is the garage. That's the 2-car garage. They're using it as a sales office. Paver driveway. You can expect the desert landscaping as well. Okay. Really nice balcony up there. But yeah, let's check it out. So this is one of those homes where the entry door is going to be like on the side of the house. Okay. This is kind of cool too, because you have this door and then you enter your courtyard area. Okay, so you have an 8-foot door. You're gonna have 9-foot ceilings on the first floor and second floor. Okay, so this is what you see as soon as you walk in. So you'll have the stairs right in front. You're gonna have your kitchen, dining room, living room. Okay, now this floor plan does have a bedroom downstairs, which we will check out. So right over here, you're gonna have some storage space. So it goes deeper. Okay, so it stops to right about there. So as you can tell it has a really nice texture. You're also going to get it's going to be flat white, and it's going to be the finish all throughout the house, except for your, I believe, the wet areas. So the kitchen, bathroom, laundry room, you're going to have like a semi-gloss finish or eggshell. Okay, so this is going to be the door to the garage, but it is locked. Okay, so we have a bedroom downstairs. Pretty decent sized room. Looks like there's going to be a full-size bed. This will be included as well. Not the light, but you're going to have a cap right there. So you can put a ceiling fan and then have a ceiling fan with a light. So you do have a walk-in closet. Okay, you'll see this on the ceiling of the home. That's going to be the fire sprinklers. Okay, right over here, you're going to have your 3/4 bath. So you have your sink, your toilet, and the walk-in shower. Okay. Again, 3/4. The reason why it's not a full is because if this was a shower tub, then that would have been a full. So if there's no tub, that won't be included as a full bath. Okay, so we went there. So I like this though. You're gonna have the 3 windows, this large slider, and then that large window right there for some natural light. Also right over here as well. Okay, so good living room space. Okay, you have the 8-foot slider. Now these model homes are on oversized lots. So, but if you're curious to know what the lot size is for the available lots, just let me know. I could find that out for you. So it looks like we have the monogram appliance package. Okay, white cabinets. Looks like we got some backsplash there as well. Upgraded quartz. Okay, got the stainless steel undermount sink, Moen faucet. Okay. But yeah, when it comes to the spec homes, they're gonna have the same level of upgrades in these homes compared to the model homes. You're just gonna have different options, okay? So different flooring color, or countertops, or cabinets, but they're all pretty clean. I mean, they rotate between a few different cabinet colors, which all look good. I think they rotate between like 3 or 4 different ones. For the quartz, I want to say maybe like 3 or 4 different ones that I see as well. The flooring, sometimes it can be tile, sometimes it can be plank. Okay, so this is gonna be your pantry. So pretty nice sized pantry. Okay, cool. So yeah, this definitely has like a more of a semi-gloss finish. Oh yeah, this is flat right here. So we'll head to the second floor. Now I noticed that the carpet is hard flooring, but the spec homes that they build, I guarantee you this is all going to be the carpet. Okay, so carpet on the second floor, carpet on the stairs. The only time they usually put hard flooring is going to be, in the wet areas on the first floor. They're going to put it everywhere on the first floor, except for the bedrooms. The bedrooms, sometimes they leave carpet. This is the same type of railing you can expect too, the white mission style railing. That's what you see. So this is the landing step here. Sorry, you notice there's a lot of buyers. Sometimes they really appreciate the landing step. They don't like the straight stairs from the first floor to the second floor. So Here, we'll start this way right here. So we have this nice loft. Okay, you're gonna have your guest bedrooms right over here. Again, you have 9-foot ceilings on the second floor. Okay, so this is the guest bedroom. Usually blinds are not included, but you know, guys, get with me. We'll throw that in there. Now, I know I say this in all my videos, but it's really, really important. If you plan on visiting a new construction community for your very first time, do me a favor, give me a call, shoot me a text. I'd be honored to go with you on your very first visit. Just do not go by yourself, guys. The second you go by yourself, the builder agent is going to ask for your name, phone number, and email. Once they have that, they're going to log you in their system as having no representation. You definitely want representation. So even if you are using a realtor right now, just make sure they go with you on your very first visit. The difference is, again, with the fiduciary relationship. So the builder agents look after the builder's best interests. We look after your best interests. So we hold the builders accountable. We're always trying to negotiate for you, make sure that you guys get the best deals. And we walk you through the process. Okay, and we do hold the builders accountable. Okay, so this is the other bedroom. Okay, nice. Looks like it has a balcony. And this is take a look at the neighborhood. Again, just under 80 homes, 10 of them have been sold. Okay, so this is the front of the neighborhood. So as soon as you pull up, you'll see this park right here. Kind of backed into these mountains. Really good location. Again, if you're not familiar with Summerlin, we're just minutes away from downtown Summerlin. You could get to Red Rock pretty easily, maybe 10 minutes away. Okay, again, great schools over here. So Summerlin is definitely a great location. Okay, so this is gonna be the primary bedroom. But take a look at the laundry room. Okay. So again, washer and dryer is not included, but if you're interested, let me know. We'll definitely throw that in there. Smart panel box. This is where you connect your internet router and your modem. Oh, why does it feel dark in here? Cool. So welcome to your primary bedroom. Just take a look over here. Okay, so you have a walk-in closet. And then this is your primary bath. So we got your toilet room. Okay, dual sinks, separate tub, separate walk-in shower. Remember, this is always going to be the configuration, so you can't customize anything. Okay. And then right here, we do have another walk-in closet, right? So plenty of space for your clothes. But yeah, that wraps it up for this floor plan. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And again, if you have any questions or you're looking for help with this new construction process, I'd be honored to help. My info is going to be in the description below. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.